Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the machine and getting immediate suction. First, make sure the rug doctor is off. Connect the hand tool hose firmly until it locks. Next, fill the clean water tank with the recommended amount and add solution to the marked line so spray pressure is correct. Once done, plug in and power on the main unit, then squeeze the hand tool trigger briefly to purge trapped air so spray and suction start consistently. You now take controlled passes to clean effectively. First, test spray a hidden area to verify solution strength and drying time, then set a comfortable stride and overlap each pass by 1/4. Spray in front of the tool and immediately pull back while holding the trigger to extract moisture. This prevents overwetting. Apply steady, even pressure. For stubborn spots, make slower overlapping passes so agitation and extraction remove soil without. You finish by emptying and rinsing the recovery tank to prevent smells and clogs. Clean the hand tool wand and brush, then stow the hose. If suction drops or water remains on the carpet, check the recovery tank lid seal, ensure hose connections are tight, and inspect the hand tool for debris blocking the nozzle. If clogging persists, power off, disconnect, and flush with water. Finally, ventilate the area with fans to speed drying and prevent mildew.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.